Everyone thinks fabrication is the bottleneck in data center manufacturing. In many cases, it isn't. When manufacturers build server racks, electrical enclosures, PDUs, or busbars, they often focus on fabrication capacity. More lasers, more press brakes, more welders. But what we often see is something different. The real bottleneck becomes coating, plating, and finishing. Why? Because fabrication is relatively easy to scale. You can add shifts, labor, and equipment. Coating is different. You're limited by line capacity, changeovers, environmental requirements, and process complexity. That's why many manufacturers discover too late that fabrication is ready, but the parts still aren't shipping. If you're building data center equipment, don't just evaluate fabrication capacity. Evaluate your finishing capacity too. That's where projects often get delayed. And if you're not sure whether coatings, plating, or finishing could become a constraint in your operation, it's worth having that conversation before lead times become a problem. We spend a lot of time helping manufacturers think through those challenges. Thanks for watching.